about? What you talking about? What you talking about? Ready? 3, 2. Wait. What's going on, DOWGs? ThisGuysALemon, Frank,
CJ,
and we're back.
Oh my god! And we got a new
person.
We got a new person.
Word. This way. Explain this guy and how he came across. We found this guy out like 20 minutes ago. Well, I found out this guy 20 minutes ago.
So basically, I found out today, bro. I checked out this Facebook post, and you know, it was like this new wave of rappers and shit, like talking about this guy sounds like Trippie Redd but looks like Lil Yachty. You know what I'm saying? Like, he has to hair like Lil Yachty, but like he sounds like Trippie Redd. So I'm like, all right, let me listen to this. I listened to the snippet. I'm like, what is this? like what is this? And then I listened to it like 4 more times. Like, yo, this shit is fire.
It's low key fire, right?
This shit is like on my playlist, bro.
He showed me the little snippet too.
Yeah. But anyway, like I feel like if you listen to it enough times, it sounds catchy. You know what I'm saying? So like, you know, he's onto us. He's onto something. Like, he only has 2 songs on Spotify. So I'm guessing that he's like a new up and coming like rapper that's trying to become, you know, trying to get out there and shit. But yo, if you don't like it the first time,
play it again.
Rewatch
this video.
Like, keep playing it again, and then you're probably like, okay, I like that little melody he has going on. Anyway, so his name is Baby Jayy. The song's called Out the Rain.
Before we begin this video, guys, please do us a favor and hit the bell icon under the video. It's gonna give you guys notifications whenever we upload a video. A lot of people have told us that their sub boxes are broken and they're not getting videos that we post. So please be sure to do that if you're one of our loyal subscribers. And also, if you want to request music, the best place to do that, where's it at?
On Instagram.
So follow us, DM us your song requests.
Exactly.
I feel like we should just get right into this, man.
Let's get right into this.
I was like, what happened? I thought my brain was lagging.
His money, what?
Stack! Show the stack! What you talking about? What you talking about? What you talking about? What? Okay. Oh, what the fuck? I was not expecting this.
He's going off. He's like
hold me back.
Super
Hold me back.
Saiyan, like, you know what I'm saying? You know he sounds like too?
Oh.
But always keep my gun with me, because these niggas, they invade me. I made it all of the rain. I swear we are not the same.
This is low-key fire. This guy is low key fire, bro.
Bro, look, the first time you hear it, it's like, what is this? But then you play it a couple of times, like you gotta like, it's like this thing that you just gotta like, you don't like it the first time, but you gotta soak it in. You know what I'm saying?
That shit in. Yeah. Pause.
He reminds me of Trippie Redd, right? He reminds me of Lil Yachty, but he sounds like he perfected Ice JJ Fish. Like he perfected Ice JJ Fish.
If you know who Ice JJ Fish is, leave it in the comments. You know, you're a real one.
Tell me he didn't like sort of like he took Ice JJ Fish, like twisted it a little bit, and just like turned it into something like you could actually listen to. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I feel like this guy's gonna be big. The same reason like someone like 6ix9ine was big.
Yeah.
In the sense of like, it grows on you in the most weirdest way ever.
That's how I feel like about Baby Jayy. Like he has another song, but that's for another time. And like, I could tell he's onto something.
Definitely. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like,
comment,
subscribe, all that. And also, remember, hit that bell notification, boy. Hit that icon. It's like right there. Like, hit it, my guy. It's gonna let you know when you post a video. And yeah.
Make sure.
What else?
I mean, we said everything, bro.
Yeah. Just
I was gonna say something, but he took my lines. You know what I'm saying?
Thank you guys for watching.
Peace.